The lady has been working since 99.
In the merit list, I was number 1. Now, what they have did, they have cancelled the advertisement and they have unilaterally appointed the appellant.
What is the reason for cancellation of the advertisement is not clear.
Yes, sir.
Everything has to come to an end, sir. Your good run has to come to an end. You continue for 20 years now. Let others be given a chance.
Now I don't see that. Why my instruction is that a private opposite party has no interest.
Correct.
The appellant is he was appointed as an Angodabali helper. Thereafter, an advertisement was issued. To fill up the post of Anganwadi worker. A circular has been subsequently issued that the Anganwadi helper, those who have requisite qualification, that is HSC passed, they will be given appointment. So Lordship will find that circular under annexure. After the advertisement was made, it was came to notice. Your Lordship have a glance to the annexure 3, page 17, my lord. In partial modification, my lord, got it, page 17. Page 17, my lord, this is consideration of erstwhile Anganwadi helper of the sub-center of an engagement as Anganwadi worker. Sir, madam, in partial modification to this department letter of answers on the above subject, I am directed to say that erstwhile Anganwadi helper of the sub-center shall be engaged as an Anganwadi worker if she has passed re-engaged as an Anganwadi helper if her qualification is less than class 10. Thereafter, my lord, have a glance to next page, annexure 4, my lord. 3. That was issued on 4/8/2007. Anganwadi helper or community organizer who fulfills the eligibility criteria and has rendered more than 5 years of service shall be engaged as an Anganwadi worker also in the scheduled area, even if she is not SC/ST. Here, my lord, as will be revealed from the annexure 1, she was appointed as Anganwadi helper in the year 1990. She has requisite qualification of HSC passed, but that circular, without taking into consideration the subsequent circular which has been issued under annexure 3 and 4, they have issued a notification for which, my lord, even the petitioner has also applied that this appellant was appeared, but the private respondent, my lord, she was selected because she secured more mark than this appellant, my lord. So, my lord, she challenged it. And in appeal, that was remitted back, and that was raised by the private respondent in the writ application, where this Honorable High Court, Honorable Single Judge, on 12/11/2018, has disposed of the matter. Where the problem was, my lord, on that day no advocates were present because of the cessation of work. Anyhow, my lord, the Honorable Single Judge held that since the selection, after the selection was held and he has applied, so it could not have been cancelled. And the petitioner, this appellant could not have been appointed as Anganwadi worker. But while issuing the initial advertisement, my lord, the circular under annexure 3 and 4 was not taken into consideration. And since it was not taken into consideration, and basing on the representation submitted by this appellant, my lord, the advertisement which has been issued, and even after the selection, that was cancelled. Now, my lord, Honorable Single Judge held that there is no cogent reason has been given why after selection, the selection has been cancelled and the order of appointment has been issued in favor of the appellant, my lord. Now, my lord, on that date, my lord, this point could not be taken off, and for which Honorable Single Judge has said that the ADM could not have directed for remitted the matter back for consideration. That is this writ application which has been filed by the private respondent, my lord, that has been allowed. And even though, my lord, she has not paid for cancellation for setting aside the appointment order, but selection process has been set as. So, in spite of that, my lord, my Honorable Single Judge has said that the order of appointment issued in favor of the appellant cannot stand in the eye of law. So, my lord, my humble submission before my lord is that Here, my lord, basing on the annexure 3 and 4, since the petitioner was appointed in the year 99, and by that time he has already served for more than 10 years, and she is having HSC certificate. That is the reason, my lord, on the same center, she was given appointment as Anganwadi worker, my lord. The lady has been working since 99 in this.
Yes.
Permitted, Your Lordship. The case of the appellant is she was working as an Anganwadi helper, not worker.
Right.
In Ittukura, Anganwadi Center 1.
Correct.
Now, subsequently, a new center was opened and advertisement was floated. In the advertisement, my merit list was published. In the merit list, I was number 1. Now, what they have did, they have cancelled the advertisement and they have unilaterally appointed the appellant.
Then why the advertisement?
Yes, Your Lordship. That is what has been dealt by the single judge.
Correct. That's what he's. What is the reason for cancellation of the advertisement is not clear.
Yes, Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship, kindly see page 23. The second paragraph, OP number 6 was implicated as a party to the petition.
She actually never filed a counter also.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No, we have not filed.
Then where's the question? You say the challenge in the present.
Now, why not? If it can be remitted matter back again.
Back and forth. Everything
Now,
has to come to an end, sir. Your good run has to come to an end. You continue for 20 years now. Let others be given a chance.
Now I not see that. Why my instruction is that the private opposite party has no interest.
Correct.
Anyhow, my lord, so my lord, kindly.
I got the instruction today morning.
Yes, and then no, that maybe, but anyhow, my lord, as your lordship, but this is my case. I have been continuing since 99 there.
That's all.
And
that's your strongest point. No, there's no other point. All right. The challenge in the present appeal to an order dated 12th November 2018 passed by the learned single judge allowing writ petition civil 22890 of 2011 filed by respondent number 6 herein, whereby she questioned the cancellation of an advertisement for the appointment of Anganwadi worker bracket AWW at the Ittukura 2 Anganwadi Center bracket AWC under the Mahanga block. On 15th May 2010, a provisional merit list was published in which respondent number 6 secured the first position. No reasons were disclosed why the advertisement dated 30th April 2010 was been cancelled. The mere fact that the appellant may have continued as Anganwadi helper does not ipso facto create any vested right in the appellant to be selected as AWW and to continue as such.